Dive into a bowl of our fiery Missal, a Maharashtrian classic. This is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vaidehi and Vaidehi Hing. We need to make a masala paste to make our Missal. So for our masala, I have heated some oil. To this I am adding some onions, garlic, some dried coconut powder or desiccated coconut powder. I've got a finely chopped tomato and some water. We'll cook this for a few minutes. I'll wait for this to cool and then grind it into a fine paste. In my pan, I'm heating some oil. To this, I'm adding some rye or mustard seeds, some jeera or cumin seeds, and a pinch of Vaidehi Hing. Once my seed starts fluttering, I'm going to throw in some curry leaves. Okay. Next goes in Haldi, Coriander or dhania powder, some Red Chilli powder, and Garam Masala. I'm cooking my masalas on a low flame until aromatic. Once you start getting the aroma, I'm going to add the paste we prepared with the onions and dried coconut, etc. to this. Next goes in my pulses that have been boiled in the pressure cooker, 2 whistles. These have been soaked overnight. This goes in for 2 whistles with salt and little turmeric powder. I'm going to add in some water and allow this to cook for about a good 10 minutes. In goes in some salt. So our Missal has come to a boil and we're ready to serve. Missal is ready. We serve it with pav, finely chopped onions, some farsan, lime and garlic dry chutney.